Hello and welcome to the online video for number 126 Brandwood Road. This is a traditional 3-bedroom semi-detached property. And then moving into the property, we've got the hallway here with the stairs going up to the first floor. There's a built-in understairs storage cupboard here as well, which houses the electric meters. And then moving it into the reception rooms, which have an open plan layout. So the first room here, which faces towards the front of the house. And then opening through to the second reception room. And here we have a door going out into the garden with floor to ceiling windows to either side. And then we have the kitchen. And just through here we also have a lean-to area which is gated from the front, leading through to the rear. And we also have this ground floor toilet with wall-mounted gas boiler in here as well. And then moving on to the first floor, we have the landing here, which provides access to the 3 bedrooms and bathroom. So we have the first bedroom here to the front of the house. And then we also have bedroom 3 here, with the same aspect here. And then across to the second bedroom, which has some fitted wardrobes. And then a view to the rear and into the bathroom, where we have wash basin, toilet, bath with electric shower, and a cupboard here in the corner which houses the hot water cylinder. And then just moving outside, we have the workshop just here on the right hand side, where there is also space and plumbing for washing machine and tumble dryer. Then we've got a particularly long garden. Which leads down to this garage here, and then there's gated access going back out to the access lane. And that concludes the online viewing. So if you'd like to arrange a physical viewing, then please do contact us as soon as you can, and we'll hopefully speak to you soon. Thanks very much, and bye for now.